They blew the mind of the worker who didn't steal the package. Of course, it was a joke. The setup was brilliantly done. A massive explosion just happened. What was that? Was it something like a transformer or more like a bomb? It almost looks like something is falling from above. The food delivery guy, completely unaware of what was about to happen, knocked on the door. But before the owners could answer, the family's dog greeted him. He was almost bitten. This gang is roaming around with weapons trying to break into homes. Stay alert.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Here you go. Let me do this. Take a picture.
This woman is a delivery driver, but she's not doing her job right. While delivering one order, she takes packages from another house and leaves.
What is this nonsense?
You better put my food back on that damn table. Put my back, you funky ass big back. Put my back. Oh, I know.
I'm not exactly sure what's going on, but the police are banging on the door really hard. If it were something that serious, there would probably be more of them. Doing this in the middle of the night feels a bit disrespectful. They could have just knocked properly.
Clearly nobody's home. Stop trespassing and stop harassing me. Read the signs. Thank you and have a great night.
A person caught on the doorbell camera stealing a barbecue grill. This guy stole everything he could from outside this house and took off in his car. He even caused a bit of a traffic jam while escaping.
Hey, that's some damn shit in there. You don't want to break his house.
This guy walking around with a flashlight was reported by the homeowners, and rightfully so. It's a disturbing situation.
Quarter come and kill your ass. Yeah, this is a red house. Like that. Yeah.
The raccoon's mischief caused chaos all around. They put on a display of strength for each other, but only one emerged as the winner. The street fight outside ended with gunfire, but look at the house's guard. He's not scared at all.